For more information related to the civil engineering concepts and civil engineering updates, please visit my website civilbasics123.com. Go to type civilbasics123.com in Google so that my website will be open here like this. So which is consisting of all detailed concepts related to the civil engineering topics. So please follow my website civilbasics123.com. In this video lecture, I will explain you analysis and designing of G+10 story building model, which is related to the diagrid structure by using ETABS software. Okay, so in my previous videos I was explained the analysis and designing process for the respected building structure by using StatPro software. So in this video initially I will cover the process how to model the diagrid building structure by using ETABS software. Then after that I will explain you how to analyze that respective structure by using ETABS software. Then after that I will explain you how to design that respective reinforcement values, which is related to the beam sections, column sections as well as the diagrid section by using ETABS software. Okay, so firstly I am selecting my ETABS 18 version software here. Now you can see the software will be open here like this. So firstly we have to click on the file option, new model option. So initially we need to select the standards which is related to the units and codal provision as per the IS codal standard system. Okay, so the model initialization option will be open here like this. Initially we need to select the user built-in settings, select as per metric SI, and units will be in Indian standard. So code will be of IS 800 code for the steel section, IS 456 for the RCC section. Click on OK option. So after that the grid lines will be open here like this. Initially we need to enter the number of lines in X direction. Just I am taking as per my assumption 6, and these are the 6, and each grid will be consisting of 3 meter 3 meter. Again in the same process we have to take the number of the stories. So as per my consideration we need to take G+10 story building model, which is consisting of plinth level plus ground story level plus another 10 story, which is consisting of approximately 12 multiplied by 3, which is equals to 36 meter. Okay, but here as per my consideration just I am modeling the structure which is comes under the G+1 structural model. Then after that I will done the same process for the respective remaining structures. Okay, so for that firstly I am selecting your respective 3 number of the slab, so which is consisting of 3 meter 3 meter. So click on grid only option, click on OK option. Okay, so now we can see it will open the grids which is consisting of 6 numbers in horizontal direction as well as the 6 numbers in vertical direction distance. Okay, so after creating the grids we need to generate the material properties which is related to the grade of the concrete as well as the grade of the steel for the respected building structure. So as per my consideration just I am assuming the building was consisting of M30 grade concrete and Fe 500 grade steel. Okay, so for that firstly we have to click on the define option, click on material properties, add a new material option. So in this I am selecting the Indian standard code which is related to the concrete section of 30 grade. Click on OK option. So click on OK option. Then after that again we have to generate the one more section which is related to the rebar section. So here I am selecting here as rebar which is of 500 grade here. Click on OK option. So click on OK. Again we have to click on OK option. Now we have to define the dimensions for the respected beam sections, column sections as well as the slab section. So go to define option, section properties, select the frame sections. So here I am selecting delete multiple options. Why? Because initially we need to delete all the frame sections which are generated by using default section. Okay, so click on add new property option. So initially we need to select this respective rectangular section. So as per my consideration just I am taking the column size will be consisting of approximately 0.6 cross let us consider 2-3, which is consisting of the material is M30 grade here. Okay, so again this depth value will be approximately equal to 600 value and this respected value is 230. Okay, so click on the reinforcement section. So now we have to enter the reinforcement as per the column consideration, and the material will be of HYSD bar of 500. Again I am taking this respected cover will be consisting of 30 mm here. Okay, so again we have to select the OK option here. Okay, so that it will create the column section here like this. Then after that we have to delete this property. So again we have to add the one more property which is related to the beam. So as per my definition just I am taking the beam will be consisting of approximately 0.45 cross 0.23 dimensions. Okay, select the material property will be of M30 grade and depth will be of 450 here and width will be of 230 here. Okay, click on the reinforcement section, select the section will be of beam and we have to select this top cover as well as the bottom cover is 30-30. Just I am assuming here, and HYSD bars are 500 here. Click on OK, click on OK option. Then after that again we have to define the diagrid section dimensions. Click on define property here, click on select this rectangular property again we have to take the diagrid. Just I am giving the name is DG. okay, which is consisting of M30 grade concrete section, and the dimensions will be consisting of 350 cross 350 section. So click on reinforcement value, select the beam sections here. So here I am taking the top cover will be of 30 and bottom cover will be of 30. Click on OK option. Click on OK option. So after that we have to click on OK option. Now we have to define the slab thickness. So click on define option, section property. Just I am selecting the slab section. So which is consisting of approximately of 180 mm. Okay. So here I am taking slab S180 mm here. Okay. So select this respected property. Material name is M30 grade. And this value will be consisting of 180 here. Click on OK option. So again we have to click on OK option. So now we have to assign the property for this respected building structure. So firstly we have to select the all stories, select the beam cursor option, select the beam property here from this. Okay, so here I am selecting here as beam. So drag to the respected model here like this. So after that again we have to assign the columns, select the column section property and change the property from beam to column. Just we have to assign the property here like this. Then after that we have to assign a slab section. Just I am selecting here as slab section. So after that we have to assign the respective slab section for this respective section. So here I am selecting the slab section property name as S180. Drag to the respected model here like this. Then after that we have to delete all the slab sections at the plinth level as well as the first level. Okay. So for that just I am going to the ground level here. Okay, which is related to the ground section. Select the properties one level here. Okay, so here I am selecting the properties one level which is consisting of the plinth level. Just I am selecting here, click on delete option so that it will delete the property at the ground level. Okay, then after that we have to delete the properties at the plinth level also. This time going to the top section. This time selecting all the slab sections at this respected portion in horizontal section as well as the vertical section for the diagrid building. Okay, so we need to select all the properties by using single story option. If you select the multiple story option, then it will select all the slab sections at the each and individual story. So here I am selecting all the slabs, click on delete option so that it will delete the properties at the section here like this. Okay, so after deleting the properties at this respective section, now we have to add the now we have to delete the column sections at the corner section. Okay, that is the important part in diagrid structure. Okay, so further just I am selecting the plan level here. Just I am going to the story number 3, click on apply option. So click on OK option so that it will select the properties at that respective section. So we need to select all the corner column sections here. Okay, so now you can see all the columns are selected here. Click on delete option so that it will delete all the properties at the corner column section for the building structure. Now you can see it was made with the diagrid structure here like this, but it was deleted with one beam sections here like this. Now we have to assign the beams, select the beam cursor. Just I am selecting here, click on the selected property here like this. Again we have to select the one more property here like this. Okay, so now we have to create the diagrid models. Okay, so for that just I am selecting the elevation section which is of A section. Click on apply, click on OK. So for assigning the diagrid section we need to go with the directly method which is related to the bracing system. Okay, so for that we have to select this respected X type bracings here, quick draw bracings. So we need to change the property name to diagrid DG value. Okay, so just we have to click on this respected center one so that it will apply the diagrid for the building structure in this elevation section which is of A level. In the same process we need to apply the another elevation section for the respected another opposite side. Okay, so click on the elevation section here like this. Again we have to select the properties F section, click on apply option, click on OK option so that it will open the property here like this. Now we have to select this respected section. Again we have to select this respected section. Again in the same process we need to apply the elevation section for the 1 and 6 number for applying the diagrid for the building structure. So now you can see all the sides are applied with the diagrid members here. Okay, so now we have to create the section which is related to the remaining stories here like this for the respected remaining 9 stories. Okay, so for that we need to click on the right click option, click on add edit grid option, click on the modify story data. So we need to add the stories by using existing story heights here. So we need to enter the number of stories will be consisting of 9 numbers and each story will be consisting of 3 meter. Click on OK option so that it will create the remaining stories for the respected diagrid structure here like this. Okay, now you can see it was creating your respected second story, third story. In the same process it will create the whole structure after some time. So now you can see it was created the number of stories here like this. So click on OK option directly. Again we have to click on the OK option here like this. Okay, so that the building model will be loaded on the left hand side with the plan view. Again right hand side will be consisting of the 3D view for the respective structure under considerations of the modeling. Okay, so this is the diagram building. So now we have to create the load cases. Go to define option, click on load patterns option. So it will be consisting of dead load, live load here. So as per my consideration, just I am taking earthquake load in x direction condition which is related to the seismic load as per the IS codal provision 1893-2016. Click on add. Again in the same process, just I am adding the earthquake load in y direction condition. So click on add option. Now I am selecting the wind load which is in x direction condition. Select the load will be of wind. Again I am selecting the load will be consisting of as per the codal provision of 875-2015. Again I am selecting wind load which is in y direction condition. Click on add option. So now I am selecting IS codal provision 1893. Click on modify option. Select the direction will be of x direction, so which is related to the 0.36 high seismic zoning condition. Click on OK. Again I am selecting seismic zone which is in y direction condition system. So again I am turn offing the x direction values. Click on OK option. Select the wind x value. Click on modify option. Select the wind load as per your assumption. Just I am taking my assumption as 44 meter per second wind load which is exist in terrain category 4, and wind exposure angle we need to enter here as per the x direction case. So here I am taking the x direction case will be consisting of 90 as well as 0 and 180 sorry. Okay, so again we have to click on OK option. So now we have to click on the OK option here. Again I am selecting wind y direction, modify lateral load. Select here as 44 value, terrain category will be of 4, and you have to enter the angle will be consisting of 90 degrees as well as your expected 270 degrees. Why? Because we need to consider x direction is always perpendicular to y direction condition system. Click on OK. Okay, click on OK option. So now we have to apply the load cases for this respected building. So just I am selecting all the structure for applying the self-weight condition system. Go to assign, joint point load, forces here. Click on assign, add to existing loading condition. So we need to give all the load with one factor for the self-weight condition system. Click on apply option. Click on OK option so that it will apply the self-weight condition system. Okay, so after that we need to calculate the wall load condition system. Okay, so basically walls will be consisting of external wall load and internal wall load and parapet wall loading condition systems here. Okay, so as per my consideration, just I am taking external wall will be consisting of 0.23 thickness, 0.23 multiplied by we need to consider the unit weight of the brickwork multiplied by each floor height so that it can get the value is 13.8 here. Again in the same process we need to calculate the internal wall load 0.125 multiplied by your respected 3 again multiplied by 20 so that it can get the value is 7.5 here, and parapet wall load will be consisting of 0.125 multiplied by 1.2 meter, okay, multiplied by 20 so that it can get the value is 3 here. 3 plus 7.5 plus approximately 13.8 so that it can get the value is 24.3. We need to apply this respected load for the beams. Go to select option, select property frame section, select the beam section here. Yes, I am selecting here. Click on close option. Go to assign option, frame line load, distributed load, add to existing loading condition. So here we have to give the load is 24.3 value. Click on apply option so that it will apply the load which is related to the all wall loading condition for the building structure. Click on OK. Then after that we need to apply the load which is related to the floor load condition system. So as per my consideration, just I am taking floor will be consisting of 100 mm thickness. If you multiply this respected value with motor unit weight, then it will get the values 2 here. Okay, so we need to apply this respected 2 value for the slab section. Go to select option, select property slab section, select the slab section here. Click on OK. Click on close option, assign option, shell area load uniform condition. Select the add to existing load command 2 kN per meter square. Click on apply so that it will apply the floor load condition system for the building structure. Then after that we need to apply the live load. So for that select the previous loading condition, go to assign, shell area load uniform section, change the dead loading condition to live load condition, add to existing loading condition. Just I am taking the factor as 3 here. Click on apply option, click on OK option so that it will apply the live loading condition system for the building structure. Then after that we need to generate the load combination as per our given load cases. Go to define option, click on the load combinations option, click on default design combination, concrete frame design, click on OK option so that it will generate the load combinations here like this. Okay, so now we have to assign the fixed supports at the base for the respective diagrid structure. So for that we need to go to the base section, select the all the node points at the base, click on assign option, joint point, restraints, select the fixed support condition, click on apply option, click on OK option. So it will apply the respected support condition system for the building. Now we have to apply the diaphragm. Go to select all the building, assign option, joint point, select the diaphragms option, select the D1 option, click on apply option. So click on OK option so that it will apply the diaphragm for the respected building structure, which is nothing but the center point of the building as well as the load action rate. Then after that we need to analyze this respected structure. Go to analyze option, click on set load cases to run option, click on run now option, so that it will do the analysis process for the respected structure under consideration. So initially we need to save this model. Go to desktop, just I am creating a folder, just giving here as diagrid DIA. Okay, so here I am selecting the file name which is related to the diagrid DIA, save option, so that it will do the analysis process for the respective structure. Then after that I will show you shear force diagram, bending moment diagram, torsion diagram for the building structure under consideration. So now we can see after the analysis process completed, the deflection diagram is showing here like this. Now we have to see the shear force diagram and bending moment diagram. Go to display option, click on forces, Spandrella forces here. So we have to select the stress diagrams, Pierce Spandrella forces here. Select the shear 2, click on apply option so that it will see the shear force diagram for the respective structure under consideration. Click on moment 33. So this is the bending moment diagram for this respective structure under considerations of the load cases. Okay, so click on OK option. So now after analysis process completed, we need to design this structure. So for that, firstly we have to do the designing process in the ETABS 18 version software. Then after that we need to do the detailing process in ETABS CSI detailing 18 version. Okay, so for that, firstly we have to unlock this model. Just I am unlocking my model, click on OK option. So initially we need to create the strips for the respective slab section. Okay, so it will be consisting of the slabs from the plinth level, ground level to remaining stories here. Okay, so this is the plinth level for this respective section. So this is the ground level which is consisting of story 2 here. Okay, go to edit option, add edit strips option, click on design strips option. Firstly we need to select the story number 12, which is consisting of the last story, and I am selecting the X direction with the strip layer is A. Click on apply option so that it will apply the strips for the respected 12th story with X direction. Again in the same process we have to apply the strips in Y direction condition with the strip layer is B. Click on apply option so that it will apply the strip for the respected building structure 8 to 12th story. In the same process we have to apply the remaining strips for the remaining stories under consideration. So after applying all the strips we need to click on OK option. So now again we have to do the analysis process for this respected structure with the strips. So click on run analysis option so that the model will be do the analysis process under considerations of the strips. So now we can see again this displacement diagram will be showing here like this. So firstly we have to design the frame section. Go to design option, concrete frame design, select view revisor preferences. Initially we need to select IS456, click on OK. Then after that again we have to click on design, concrete frame design, click on start design check. Okay, so that the beam sections as well as the column sections as well as the diagram sections will be started designing for the respected building structure. Okay, so now we can see it was start designing your respective structure here like this. Now we have to design the slab section. So further click on the slab design section, view revisor preference, select the IS codal provision, click on OK. Again in the same process we have to click on the start design check for the slab. Okay, so we need to select the slab from the 12th story to second one. So click on OK so that it will do the start designing check for the respective slab section under considerations of your respected loads. Okay, so now we can see the building structure was loaded with pressure diagram here like this. So after that we need to save this model. So after that we need to close the ETABS software after designing process completed. So we need to see the detailing results in CSI detailing version. Okay, so for that just I am opening my CSI detailing version software 18 software, click on open option. So now my software was open here like this. So firstly we have to import the model from ETABS software to CSI detailing. So click on new detailing option for that. So firstly we have to select the diagram structure, select the dia. So click on OK so that the model initially will open in ETABS 18 version software. Then after that it will be directly imported to CSI detailing version. So now the model was loaded in CSI detailing. So we have to click on OK option. So now we have to give some primary requirements for the respective structure. So click on detailing units, change the load to kilonewton and weight to ton, click on OK. So select this respected concrete detailing preferences option, select the name as beam section here, again select the column section here and give the name as C here, again wall here, table here. Okay, click on OK option. Then after that we need to select the rebar rules for the respected frame sections. So here I am taking the minimum value will be of 150 and maximum value will be of 450 for the respected slab section. Again I am taking 150 here, again this is 150 here as per my consideration, this is 150. Again in the same process just I am entering the value, maximum will be consisting of 450, 450, 450 mm. Okay, then after that we have to click on the column section, select this value is 150 here. So again I am taking the value is 450 here. Okay, so click on OK option so that it will do the assignment for the respected minimum value, maximum value. Click on OK option so that it will start designing for your respected frame section under considerations of the load cases for the diagram structure. Then after that we can easily see the results which is related to the slab reinforcement section results and beam results, column results. Okay, so this is the story number 2, 12 slab reinforcement details. It will be consisting of top rebar, bottom rebar and all rebar plan section views. Again it will be consisting of your respected details here like this. So here I am directly selecting as rebar cage view for the 12th story number 12. Okay, so that it will load the 12th story number rebar cage view for the respected diagrid building structure. Okay, so now we can see this is the rebar cage view for the respective slab section under considerations of the load cases for the diagrid building. Okay, now we have to see the beam reinforcement results. So for that click on the beam detailing option. So select the elevations, select any one of the story, select any one of the beam, select the section AA, section BB. Okay, it will be consisting of beam reinforcement section details here like this. Just I am selecting directly as rebar cage view. So it will be consisting of cage view for the beam section. Again in the same process we have to see the column section detailing option. Just I am selecting the elevation section. Okay, so it is showing the rebar values is no rebar here. Okay, due to the presence of the higher amount of the loading condition, here the column section is failing for the diagram structure. Okay, so if you want the perfect design results, then you can change the dimensions of the column to some rectangular section, some square section related to the 600 cross 600 or 500 cross 500, depends upon the consideration. Then after that you can do the analysis process again. Okay, so it will show you the reinforcement details for the respected column section for the diagram building. Okay, so this is a complete concept which is related to the design of G+10 story building with the diagram structure by using ETABS software. If you have any queries about this respected video, please try to text me your questions in the below comment box. I will try to give the answer for that respected questions. Thank you.